Hi everyone. First of all, we want to tell you that we love and miss you all so much. I hope you like this next craft. What are we going to make, Sophia?
Slime!
Yes. And what are we going to need for this project?
For this project, we're going to be using some white glue, shaving cream, and food coloring.
We're also going to need
borax
and
water.
That's going to be our activator. Okay, everybody. Now we're ready for the first step. What are we going to need for this, Sophia?
For the first step, we're going to be using some glue, but we're going to use half of it, the glue.
It's half of the container. Go ahead and pour it right in there, Sophia.
Oh, still half of it.
Oh, okay. Go ahead and take that little part off. You might need some help. Just ask for some help. Here you go, Sophie. I'm going to pour that right on in. Oh, look at that gooey substance. Now, what color is this, Sophia?
We're going to be using purple.
We're going to be making purple slime today. For the letter P, yeah, I think we got about enough. We used a good amount of the bottle. What are we going to need next, Soph?
We're going to be using some shaving cream.
Some shaving cream.
And we already put it in this container.
Yeah. And Sophia, does glue and shaving cream feel the same? Does it have the same texture?
No, shaving cream has like a fluff to it, and then
that's really fluffy.
And then glue has like the stickiness to it.
It's so sticky. That's why you can stick stuff into it. So Sophia's gonna drop her shaving cream into her glue solution. She's using her awesome little stick there. You got it. So.
Okay.
Yep. And you're gonna pour it right on in. I'm gonna help you.
We're gonna mix it.
Take your stick off, and then we're gonna add our color. So Sophia, you already mentioned we're making the color purple, my favorite color. And it starts with the letter of the week.
P.
P. So what primary colors do you need to make the color purple?
Well, you're gonna need some red.
You got it.
And blue.
And blue.
But we're only gonna add 3 drops.
3 drops of each. Go ahead, Sophia. You're gonna add your drops right in.
Okay, open it. I don't want to spread it on me.
Yeah, go ahead. Help you open it up. Add a couple drops of red. 1, 2, and 3.
It's so hard. Oh,
can I add the blue? Yeah. I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3 drops right on in. And then we're gonna mix it with Sophia's fancy yellow stick.
Yeah.
And we're gonna mix it right on in there. Go for it, Sophia. And when you mix it up, it's gonna turn purple. All right, everyone. Now we're ready for our second step. We need to make activator to finish off our slimy solution. What do we need for activator, Sophia?
For our activator, we're going to need some borax.
And water. We've already mixed them up, so we're going to add it into the pre-mixed slime that we've already made. And how many spoonfuls do we need?
2 for the borax and like half for the water.
We're going to add the solution right into it. You want to add the...
It's scooping in.
Yeah, it is. And you want to add the next spoonful, Sophie?
Sure.
You're going to add that right on in there.
How much?
And then you're going to start to mix it up. And it's going to begin to transform. And then it becomes some
slime.
Yeah. We had a whole bunch of fun making slime with our expert, Sophia. We hope you try it at home. We love you. Mwah.
Goodbye.
See you next time.